All right, moving on. Why are people finding dryer sheets in their mailboxes? Either of you want to make a guess right now? Go ahead.
In their mailboxes?
People are finding dryer sheets in their mailboxes.
Like personal ones or like the public ones?
No, they're personal mailboxes.
Something COVID, no? Like what?
Okay, let's vent.
Does it have to do with animals?
Warm.
Animals are eating the mail?
Not bad.
Oh, okay.
No, to protect against yellow jackets and hornets.
Oh, the wasps.
And wasps and whatnot. So I never knew this was a thing that mail carriers were suffering through, but they would drop the front door on the mailbox and just reach in. And sometimes there would be a nest at the very back and they get stung.
Oh, geez.
And so people start to notice that they will have those dryer sheets. You know, they smell nice. You put in the dryer for your clothes. And people would say, who's putting these in here? Like, what kind of weird thing is going on? But the carriers would do it themselves because I guess the wasps, hornets, whatever, would choose against setting up shop in there with a strong scent like that. And so then no longer any concerns around, I guess this time of year, they start to set up shop. Mm-hmm. So how about that? That's a life hack for you, Will.
Well, yeah, I definitely don't want a hive in my mailbox.
No.
What about you, Vin?
Maybe put a notice. Maybe try and have the person take care of it. I don't know. I don't want to. What's next?
You're saying today it's a dryer sheet in my mailbox.
Wow.
Tomorrow you're cleaning my toilet. Like, what are you trying to say here? It's overreaching.
A little bit. Yeah.
Wow.
Is it invasive?
A little. Yeah.
Why? What could be wrong with it? Just the scent? You could be sensitive.
No, the fact that there's something in there that was placed by someone else.
So so it would
The mail.
you'd be
I
scared.
think the mail is obviously fine, but in addition to mail, yeah.
Why? It would make you nervous or something?
What if
it just.
What if it was vanilla?
It's the.
I didn't know you were so sensitive about your mailbox, Vin.
I think it's just the there's a certain I don't know.
Yeah, I hear you, Vin. You're a very private guy. I hear you.
Well,
You don't want anyone's dryer sheets inside any of your things. I hear you, Vin. You want to be in control of all the dryer sheets in your life, and that's fine.
all right. Well,
You
know
have that
what?
right,
Listen,
Vin.
if I went down to my mailbox and that was in there, I think I'd have trouble sleeping that night. Something's going on. Who else has access to this? I mean, it's them or me.
Right.
And then,
okay, what if there was a
what
little
game's
note?
going
What if there
on?
was a note with it that said, look, we had a yellow jacket.
Okay,
from-
fine. Then
Okay.
you have to include some notice of some sort. Something official.
A little card.
Something.
A little card.
Yeah.
Okay.
But knowing this now, are you still offended?
They need to notify. I don't. You
He's
can't
just
be
saying
putting
he
things
worries. He's just saying that, if anything's out of the ordinary, he's got too much time to think about it.
Oh,
And then like he said, he's losing sleep
sure, yeah.
over the dryer sheet.
It's difficult.
It's tough out here.
Yeah.